Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Aryan Rajesh. It's been so long since we came out. Now finally the day has come. So in Bangalore, especially in green zones, we are allowed to go out, complete your work, pending works and stuff. It is safe. So I'm going to Bikers Lab in Marathalli. Have some work related to bike. I'll show you guys. We are making some video. It's been what, 45 to 50 days starting from March 10th. We didn't ride out due to the issues going on. Hope everyone are safe. Those who have newly subscribed, thanks. More content to come. Keep supporting. Let's all be strong and fight this out so that the poor people, the people who are actually getting affected, can get back to their work, feed their families. We can survive, not an issue, but they are the ones who are affected so much. Where is this guy driving? I haven't gone to the main road yet. I'm still in my locality. We get to the main road, I think it should be fine. I called up the store guy. Even my friend inquired. He said a few people are coming, it's fine, you can come. There is no issues in that, because the small businesses like these shops, accessory shops, all these things can get back to the business. That's what is the directive. So if they open, we have to go there, so that should be fine. It's been ages since I've been in this road. So all these people are trying to get to their hometowns. This is a police station, so you have to register and get a pass. This is Marathalli main traffic police station. As you can see, there are many people who have come from different states. They are waiting for their passes, because from tomorrow for 3 days there will be bus services from Bangalore to head out to their hometown. So that is the reason. You saw how that guy went. First of all, he was going in the opposite direction. He suddenly went into this side. Oh yeah, it's open. That was the shop. Which bike is this? Street Triple RS. We can't chase him. Don't. If you are expecting that I will chase him, no. I have to take a left here itself. Still be one guy, he is not there now. He left the job. Yes. Partha. नहीं आया? और एक बंदा है ना, राजू. राजू. हाँ. Take it inside, no? Take it inside. You're on camera, so act decently. Heavy man, you have fuel?
Fuel inside. 1 liter fuel.
1 liter, 1.5.
1 liter.
1.5.
Full is 1.5.
Full is 1.5. So this is for emergency fuel from Moto Cafe. And they have nozzle also.
Yes. You can pour stuff.
Nice.
And this tying thing is really good, because you can tie it to your top rack or side stay or saddle stay or anything.
Nice. Hey, दिख रहा है? हाँ, super. Oh, finally man. No, ये old screw था. अभी गिर गया तो. This one man. This was batteries plus screw plus terminal screw. See how much dirty it has become. So this one and the other one had fallen inside.
This is the
Now
right
we are
indicator.
installing hazard lights on KTM 390 Adventure.
Okay, so the green one is the right indicator
Okay.
and the grey one is the left indicator.
Okay.
These are the accessory ports.
So it is written accessories here. They have 4 slots, is it?
Yeah.
You can put 4 different accessories.
Yes, 4 out inputs you can get.
Okay, now what he'll do, so this is the device for hazard light. So he'll add these 2 wires inside somewhere here. He'll remove
Yes,
this,
yes,
put the wire
these
inside
ones.
and again stuff it up.
Yes.
Okay.
So there are 2 green wires, right? Those 2 are the outputs.
These things. Okay.
Then the black wire is the neutral or negative,
Okay.
and the red wire is the input.
Okay.
So this red wire will go to the switch. From the switch
From
it
the
will go
switch,
to
yeah.
this line is the positive,
Mm-hmm.
right? Then the negative will go directly here,
Okay.
and whenever you switch the switch on, this will get input and the hazard will turn on.
So hazard. So now he is taking this device and is doing the wiring job. So now we will stuff it inside. So he puts this wire inside this and he'll lock it. So your hazard lights will work, and when you switch on your normal traditional indicators, it will work. See the mess. So 2 indicators. ये लेफ्ट वाला ना?
हाँ, left है.
लेफ्ट है और राइट वाला. सो स्विच यहाँ से इस डिवाइस को आता है. अब कहाँ इंस्टॉल करेंगे? ये डिवाइस यहीं रखते हैं. ओके. वाटर प्रूफ है ना?
हाँ, स्विच की जगह.
स्विच
पर मेरे पास ये वो वाला बड़ा वाला है, ये सही है ना.
विल पुट द स्विच. ये मोबाइल भी है, मोबाइल का भी है वायरिंग
इसमें
होल्डर. हाँ, मोबाइल चार्जर यहाँ है. दिस बोबो गियर्स. Now we'll connect this also.
done, bro. See the risers.
We'll make a separate video on this.
See, this space is good, okay? Because
Yes.
this used to get stuck for me every day.
Because you have so much bunch of keys here.
Ah, I know.
You have whole dukan, whole shop, what not.
So for that used to get stuck. Now it won't get stuck. Thank God. But one good thing was that before, when you used to get stuck now, if police try to remove the
They can't remove also.
they're like-
By the time you
they're like-
can easily.
okay, you do one thing, you take it out and give me. This is good, and I didn't replace the clutch cable also.
So it is working. So 20 mm right? So this switch is for hazard lights. So whenever you turn it off and on, it changes different patterns.
एक और करेगा.
वही दिन आप भी इंस्टॉल किया था जितेंद्र है ना, वही दिन
बाइक से आपका फुल
आपने किया.
डिटेल्स में भी दे दिया.
ये टाइट है ना? अच्छा है ना? I got this from Bobo. This charger is very good, man. It charges fast. Waterproof. The switch is, yeah, no sound, nothing. It's very good. Both hazard lights and charger will be connected to the key module here. He's removing that. You can see he's removing the screws. And we'll connect it. Parth, you want to say anything for the video?
I have to fix my cars now.
You have to fix yours.
seeing
Oh
how-
my god. You have got this.
After seeing how well your wires look,
Dude, we'll finish off all the small works which are pending and then we'll go. Let it be 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock. I don't care. अब हो गया ना 90% का काम. So this is connected charger. Hazard light switch is connected like this. This is off and this is on. They're removing the sari guard. So all the Royal Enfield accessories are there. Yes, this store has everything. Helmets, what and all they have, man. Lights, what's not there, everything is there. They have few exhausts also. I don't know how good are this. They have knee braces. This is the complete shop. You know this guy. See his face.
actually they don't know because I never show my face.
He never showed his face. So we have hazard lights installed. change करो. See there, these are different patterns. What they are saying is how many patterns, man? 10, 16 patterns. But we'll see as we use. We'll get to know. This is the back, and here we go for the front. It's pretty good. I think I paid 900 or 1000 for this. 1500 with installation, everything with the switch. So the device and the switch, it's a very good quality. और कुछ काम किया है बस है ना ये connections. Oh, we removed the 2 nuts which was below the battery. Please be very careful when you do something in the battery. Nuts will easily go inside. So he had removed this screws here. He removed this panel, and with the help of magnetic screw he removed. अच्छा गाड़ी है ना. नंबर प्लेट दे दो. अच्छा सा जुगाड़ बन रखा है नंबर प्लेट का. किसका हाथ में आ गए मैं. हाँ, विल टेक द बाइक्स आउट.
I will fall now.
Don't worry, man. Bike's work is done. Sare guard removed, installed here properly. It's time to head out home. We came at 5 o'clock. Now it's 9:30. You wanted to tell something?
What?
We'll go. Okay guys, hope you guys have enjoyed the video. I'm heading home now. It's 9:30. So that's the work which I did today. So next video will be, I'll try to make a video on accessories used on the bike. So see you guys in the next vlogs. Bye.